2022 Toyota Tacoma is set to come out at some point 1 year from now with an overhaul. Nonetheless, Toyota has been pretty quiet about what the eventual fate of the darling Taco will resemble. We do realize that it's imaginable whatever this Japanese vehicle organization tosses at us will be around for some time. The last Tacoma overhaul we saw was in 2016 and the Tundra upgrade is set for 2022. So what's later on for the 2022 Toyota Tacoma? Nobody is entirely certain. That is essential for what makes guessing so fun. In light of what we think about the impending 2022 Toyota Tundra overhaul, we are contemplating whether any of these updates will stream down to the more modest 2022 Toyota Tacoma. We don't expect an all-new age until 2024, as indicated by sources like Gear Patrol. Be that as it may, the Toyota Tacoma may acquire a few updates from the Tundra overhaul for 2022. There is a scope of potential outcomes as far as what we may see for the 2022 Tundra, as announced by MotorTrend. While the Toyota Tacoma's standard highlights are now lovely fulfilling, the 2022 Toyota Tacoma may add missing security includes, or refresh tech for the infotainment. Also, an inside upgrade would be genuinely welcome. Be that as it may, we don't need excessively.